Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl again with another review. Don't mind my head. I probably will be posting the video on how I did this cut on my natural hair. Yes, guys, I cut it all. So if you've seen my previous videos, you've seen that my hair is nowhere near, well, it was nowhere near short. But after a serious breakup that left your girl a little, I will be admit, heartbroken. Very heartbroken at that. I decided I needed a change. So this is one of my changes. I love this brush, I swear I do. See? Back down. Not a problem. Easy. And she looks so healthy. I'll go through with the flat iron later. I just was not trying to look crazy the whole video. So, this is about my other little change that I'm trying to do. This is Yoni Pearls Pearl Cleanse. So, in the directions, this is a disclaimer. I do have an IUD in, guys. So, if you have an IUD, you're going to want to follow, when it's your first time at least, the same instructions that I'm about to do. So let's see. So the ingredients, I'll let you see them. It is refined from Ostall. Don't ask me what the hell that is. Stamona. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, y'all can read this. That is a lot of weird ingredients. Is it gonna go focus? There we go. Okay. But I did look them up. Everything is natural. So it comes in this little pack, but then each individual one, pearl, comes in these little packs. So, comes in the 3 little packs. And it's meant to help cleanse your cocoa out, okay? Cleanse it out. If you've had sex, unprotected sex, and you know your man is coming in, it cleanses that stuff out too, because you know it got to go somewhere. Especially if you ain't getting pregnant. For those ladies who have bad menstrual periods, it actually does help. It actually helps with a lot, because then give a JJ if you got a slight smell, honey. We all know some women have a pH imbalance, okay? We know that. It's natural. We get it. You need one of these. Just let me know. For us ladies who are a little bit thick in the thighs area, you know we tend to sweat a little bit down there. Helps keep it fresh. And it tightens your JJ. So if you've been having not enough sex and it's kind of loose, it'll help. Trying to have a baby, it'll help. Just do it 6 days before your period. Because after you put this darn thing in there and after you take it out, you can't have sex for 6 days. So you're doing a cleanse for a total of 9 days. Because these things have to stay in for 72 hours. No sex, ladies. None. Don't even do it. Don't try it. If his ass get horny, you better use his hand. I'm just saying. But, yeah. Let me go ahead. I will insert these. And this is what they look like. I've already washed my hands. It's just spinning. So this is what they look like. So I've done one of these before. I meant to put it on video and show you guys, but I'm going to show you this part. This is going to be the first part, and then in 3 days, well, actually, I'll do it the full 9 days. I'll wait. So I've done the full out cleanse, because you have to wear a panty liner the remaining 6 days. Otherwise, all the little stuff that's coming out your cocoa, it's going to be in your panties. And then you have to throw them away, because that's going to be real nasty. Especially if you never did one of these. It's going to be nasty. I'm just saying. So like I said, this is pretty much my second cleanse, though I have not done it in about 2 months. Yeah, I haven't done it in about 2 months. They said you want to at least do it every couple of months, so I said fine. We done broke up. He liked it when I did it the first time. But this time, it's all for me. So I'm trying to... It has a weird herbal smell. You can smell the herbs. It's just like, oh my goodness. Yeah, it got a real like tea herbal smell to it. Don't mind me, that song I got stuck in my head. If anybody got kids, wait, I done dropped it. Hold on. Where they? Where did it go? Oh. Okay. Thankfully, it did not fall too far. It got caught in my dress. But yeah, if anybody y'all have kids already, if they playing that little tile music game, honey, all the songs are stuck in my head at this point. My daughter got me hooked on it. All right, so they say you want to tie all three of them together. Make it as even as possible, I guess. Okay, now the first time I did this, ladies, I will admit that I only did the first one for the first, I think it was like 72 hours. No, I did the first one for 24 hours, and then I put the remaining 2 in for 72. Sorry, the smell of the herbs is making me a little sneezy. But yeah, so I never had all 3 of them up there at the same time. So we gonna see how this gonna work. Because when they had the 2 in there, they have to look crazy, ain't gonna lie. If you ain't never wore a tampon before, I don't think this gonna be for you. Or you don't like the feeling of a tampon, this ain't gonna be for you. I'm just letting you know now, okay? Don't even try it. So y'all hold on, be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, I done put it in. Feels a little weird, but not so bad. Hold on, I'm washing my hands. Okay. Yeah, so as long as you put them in there, you put them in there as far as you're comfortable with putting them. They say to lay on the bed, lay on your back and do it. But doing squat down will get the same effect. Same shit. If you have enough sex, you know which position it is. You know, right? But yeah, I mean, I really don't feel anything. Okay. When I do that, it feels okay. But yeah, so I am going to come back to you guys. Today is the 26th. 9 days from now, what? 27, 29. So around next week, Friday. No, I'm tripping because today's Saturday. Following week, Monday. Whatever. I figured out. Y'all will see me in 9 days. I'm gonna take it out. I take the pictures on what it looks like when I take it out, what it looks like on the tampon. I ain't gonna show y'all that part, okay? I'll show y'all what it looks like when we take it out, because it does. If you got some stuff up in there, some stuff will come off these things. Just being real with you. I don't care how clean you think your cocoa is, baby. Something to come up out of there. But yeah, so I will see you guys later. Bye.